Hey there. Today, we'll show you how to create your own avatar on the Messenger app using your Android device. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to customize your avatar. First things first, open the Messenger app on your Android device. Look for the familiar blue and white chat bubble icon and tap to launch the app. Next, at the top left corner of the screen, tap on the 3 horizontal lines to access the menu options. Then, tap on the gear icon to enter the settings. In the Settings menu, locate and tap on Avatar. This will take you to the Avatar Creation section. Tap on Make Your Avatar to start the customization process. You'll be prompted to choose a skin tone for your avatar. Once you've selected your preferred skin tone, tap on Next to proceed. Now, it's time to personalize your avatar by selecting various options such as hairstyle, facial features, accessories, and more. Once you're satisfied with your avatar's look, tap on Save at the top right corner of the screen to save your changes. By following these simple steps, you can create a unique and personalized avatar on the Messenger app. Express yourself creatively and add a fun touch to your conversations with your customized avatar. Have fun customizing and enjoy chatting with your new avatar.